Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends and earn money on the FTX wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX wallet, then go to the news section, and at the news section on the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Then just tap on the settings menu, and here if you scroll down a little bit you will find the rewards menu, which is right below the profile icon. And when you tap on the rewards, it's going to open up all the different reward sections. I already made videos about the top 2 ones, so if you're interested in these you can check them out on my channel. But if you scroll down here you will see that collect points for free crypto. So you can invite your friends or enter referral codes to your FTX wallet to receive free cryptos. And if you want to invite your friends for crypto, you just have to tap on this icon, invite friends, and a tab is going to pop up where you can add your friends' information to invite them. I won't do that right now because I don't want to show all my personal information here. You have to be signed in to do this, but that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.